Hello my loves, Cindy here coming at you with another video. This video here is featuring Ishow hair. They sent me this 24 full lace wig and it is absolutely beautiful. On the back of their box they have, on the back of the box it has just different care instructions and everything, and like I said, it's a 24-inch lace wig, and I want to say it's a body wave, and it came in this bag. Let me just say this, oh yeah, it came with lashes, but I want everybody to keep their mouth closed about my Gotham City shirt. Yes, Batman life is real, okay? I don't want nobody to have nothing to say, but anywho, this wig is really nice, and it's a, like I said, it's a full lace wig. And in this one I'm not bleaching the knots or anything like that because I wanted to show you guys how it looks without bleaching knots or anything, just to see like how good it really is. So if it looks good when we get done here, just imagine how good one of their wigs will look if you bleach the knots and all of that stuff. So I'm using this Camera's hot spray, the platinum hot spray. That is like my favorite alcohol based heat protectant. I'm just putting in some really light body waves, and I'm going for really messy hair. Like, I want the end result to come out like I had my curls popping a couple, like maybe like a week ago, and now all my curls are falling and need to be redone. I am cutting all of this lace off, and now I'm just slipping her on, and I'll be back in a second. Nothing too extravagant, you guys. I'm just getting this on so I can look cute. Now we need to get this hairline together, because who's, like, not hairline, like this back part together, because whose hair is really that puffy right there, looks really special. Might as well just put a sign on your back to say, hey girl, this wig girl. But anywho, I am taking my curling wand. I'm just about to play with this wand, well, not play with this wand, but I'm about to flatten this out, and then I'll be back. And I'm just going ahead and tackling these little flyaways and things of that nature, and then I'm going to use a little bit of this to get my edges together. Slide cutting is just a really quick way to frame the face and to give subtle layers. And they don't have to necessarily be subtle, but you can see how much volume just slide cutting adds just to this side, like a little bit more of a dip. So I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna cut a little bit more at the top because it's no dip. Girl, watch, the dip gonna be dripping, just wait. But I love you guys so much. I really hope you like this video. I'm gonna leave all of this company's information in the description box below, so you can go ahead if you want to purchase this wig. I actually really did like it. I did not glue this wig on in any way, shape, or form. I didn't use any gel, no tape, and no nothing. So the wigs fit really good, and as you guys can see, I have been pulling and tugging. There are no elastic bands on. It's just a really good fit. I love you guys so much.
Now I'm getting used to making plans for two, holding you close. This warm breeze feels all too new, wanting to fill my eyes with your tears, and I'll cry, only to be loved by you.
Hey, we're looking for you, yeah?